If you're running hydraulic tools, you already know that the pump is what makes the whole system work. This is the ESCO 10593C air hydraulic pump kit, built around a 10,000 PSI system, commonly used in truck tire and heavy-duty applications. And if you're new to this category, this is the component that takes your compressed air and turns it into hydraulic fluid. So tools like bead breakers, rams, jacks can all work the way they were designed to. Some people might overlook the importance of this pump and just write it off as another component to an overall system. But without this component, that system falls apart. At the end of the day, most people are really just focused on one thing, and that's, I want this to work every time I hit the pedal. And that's where the ESCO really shines, but let me show you how. From a spec standpoint, everything is pretty typical for a pump in this category. It's rated for up to 10,000 PSI and uses a 5-quart reservoir. But that reservoir is a metal reservoir. And a lot of techs prefer that for shop or service truck environments where equipment is seeing a lot of use. Just a straightforward configuration that is designed and proven to work with a wide range of hydraulic tools in truck tire and heavy duty applications. This ESCO pump is sold as a complete kit, so you're not trying to match up hoses and fittings from different places and different sources. Also included in the kit is the air hydraulic pump with a 5-quart metal reservoir. This is a rugged design built for real world use and abuse in shops and service trucks. A 6-inch whip hose and an air pressure regulator are also included in this kit. This allows you to maintain recommended working air pressure going to the pump. What else is included in the kit? Well, this 8-foot hydraulic hose complete with swivel fitting, engineered to resist kinking and remain flexible in temperatures all the way down to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Together, all these components make for a straightforward connection between your air supply and your compatible hydraulic tools. Without the pump, a hydraulic system is really just a contained puddle of oil. Pumps like this are often the unsung hero of the entire operation. They're not flashy, they're not fancy, but without it, everything comes to a screeching halt. When everything is working properly, it's just doing its job in the background, powering your jacks, your rams, your bead breakers, etc. Because obviously the entire system is reliant on the pump, it's really worth investing in a high quality one. If the pump goes down, the entire operation goes down, and there goes your day. And that's just one of the many reasons that Tire Supply Network keeps the ESCO 10593C in stock. If you're looking to upgrade or expand your hydraulic pump selection, you can pick up the ESCO 10593C at TireSupplyNetwork.com.